But first I wanted to show you a little bit what I've been doing on the 67 Camaro here. Got all the door gaps looking good. Got the AMD fenders mounted. And even though it is auto metal direct, they did require some work to get things squared away. And basically this whole side of the car is auto metal direct now. Alright, so just a little shop update here. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Aerocoupe. I posted a short the other day of the Mustang being done, so wanted to do a little longer video of that car, and I might in the future when I see it totally complete. They're supposed to be detailing under the hood and stuff, but so anyway, glad to have the Mustang completed. But I wanted to talk a little bit about my buddy's Aerocoupe, and I've worked on this car a year ago and did kind of a quickie on it, and I'll explain what I mean by a quickie. Anyways, 86 Aerocoupe. They only built 200 of these cars. So in some of my last videos, I talked about having to pull out this rear window and how they don't make the seal and what we had to do. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about that to bring y'all up to speed on it, and maybe if you haven't seen some of my other videos. Basically, this is like a 1-inch universal glass trim. Now, this glass is just like the windshield. It seals in urethane. So the window without a seal at all would seal and not leak with urethane. The rubber seal was very thick that was used from the factory, but basically this glass is sealed with the urethane. There is nothing about this seal here that's doing anything. This is just a beautification seal, just like a modern car has, that lays down on the glass. So you can peel this back here and you can see that you know, this is just, I did do some body work around here so this thing would lay down a little better, kind of filled a lot of that gap in. And then, again, this is an 86. They only built 200, so this thing has the, we used an 87 deck lid because the one he had was kind of bad. So you can see the studs there for the 87 shock, but we're going to go back and use the 86 trunk hinge, which is going to be a little bit of an issue to try to find the right one because no one really lists one in the catalog. But what I've been doing here, car finally came back from the upholstery shop and looks good. We got new door panels and redone dash, new headliner, and turn this light on so you can see a little better here, and new seat covers. So everything just kind of looks good. New carpet, new seal plates. But I've been cutting the clear coat out of the car, cutting the orange peel out of the car, and we got it pretty well gone at this point. All right, so what I mean by a quickie, I didn't take this car apart. I just basically done as best as I could do with it together, including the jams, including a color change. As anyone, I don't know if a lot of people watching this video don't realize this, but 200 of these cars built, every single one of them were white. We decided that we wanted to do something different, so we painted, I found the color off of a 2020 or 2019 Chrysler 300 and put it over a black bottom coat, and turned out real nice.